Hey Brian, it's Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I have your website plugged in here so that we can start going through your online presence and look at ways to increase it to get you even more customers. And starting off with your site here, you guys have a great site. It looks really professional. Any call to actions that are spread throughout here will really help with conversion rates, and it looks like you guys did a great job with doing that. One thing that I would recommend would be to add some content. Google has what's called crawlers, and they crawl the internet 24/7, and they are looking through all of the content that's on your site, as well as what photos were saved as before they were uploaded. And they're looking to see if you're providing value to your customers, as well as what keywords are embedded throughout. And a good rule of thumb would be to have at least 1,500 words on your homepage to be considered an authority with Google. One example of a keyword is Foundation Repair Boise Idaho, and whenever your future customers are searching for this, the first thing that populates are some ads here. And ads can be a great tool when utilized correctly to receive some more business there as well, so that's definitely something to consider. And if we scroll down, this is the Google Map Pack section, and 30 to 40% of business goes into this section here. And so it's great that you are ranking in the top 3 for this keyword, because the top 3 get a lot of that 30 to 40%. And the way that you rank here is to have a Google business profile, and then you want to make sure that it's optimized. And so to make sure that you're ranking for all of your other keywords as well, you'd want to make sure that you have geotagged photos here. You guys are doing a fantastic job with your reviews, so just keep being consistent with that there. And then you always want to make sure that this information is accurate and up to date and filled out as completely as possible. And you guys did a wonderful job filling this out. You guys are already set apart from the majority of businesses, because a lot of businesses don't fill this out completely. And then something that's pretty time consuming are what's called citations. A citation is your business name, address, and phone number, and other places like Yelp, exactly as you have it here. You want to make sure it's consistent. And so with all of these things combined, you can make sure that you're ranking for all of your keywords in all of your cities. Sometimes you might need to get another Google business profile in another city if it's too far away from this one. But you guys are doing a great job for this one. And if we scroll down, this is the start of the organic listing. 60 to 70, the remaining 60 to 70% goes into this organic listing here. And I see that your website is ranking right here. So it's great that you guys are ranking on the first page for here as well, because over 90% of people will stay on this first page. And same with the organic listing. The top 3 spots get the majority of the 60 to 70%. So let's take a look at the number 1 competitor for this keyword. And if we quickly scroll through here, they have some great call to actions as well. But it'd be really easy to outdo them with content. So let's take a look at the back end of each website, starting with your competitor. I have their website plugged in here. And we're going to take a look at some ratings pulled from Google data. The UR and the DR is the trustworthiness and the authority of a website. They have 29 and 8. What's making up their ratings here are the 2.73 thousand backlinks that they have, and these backlinks are coming from 115 referring domains. And a backlink is one website linking to another, like a shout out, and it's important to note that not all backlinks are the same. There are high quality backlinks that will boost the UR and the DR, and there are spammy ones that will bring them down. So you do want to be intentional when backlinking. And you also want to make sure that the backlinks are relevant to your industry, because Google does pay attention to that. And so you want your UR and your DR higher than your competitors, as well as making sure that you have buyer intent keywords on your website. So your competitor, they have 1,500 keywords on their site and 102 monthly traffic. And if we go take a look at your site here, you have 26 and 12. What's making up your ratings are the 380 backlinks, and these backlinks are coming from 50 referring domains. You have 289 keywords and 106 monthly traffic. So what we'd want to do here is we'd want to keep adding high quality backlinks to make sure that your UR and your DR are boosted higher than all of your competitors for all of your keywords, and make sure to add buyer intent keywords to your site. And the reason that you want buyer intent is because you want to have quality leads, and this way we can qualify them from the beginning. One way to get high quality backlinks is called the copycat method. We can go into your competitors' backlinks here and then link those to your website as well, because if it is working for them, it would work for you. And then we'd want to do extensive research for your keywords. And then that way we can find all the buyer intent keywords that apply to you. We can see what your competitors are ranking for, as well as doing a separate search as well. So just a quick recap. You want to make sure that you are ranking for all of your keywords with the Google Map Pack section. So you'd want to have this be completely optimized. You guys are doing a great job here. And then for your website, you'd want to make sure that it is ranking in the top 3 for all of your keywords as well. So you'd want to add quality content so that you can support those buyer intent keywords, and then those high quality backlinks to boost you to the top of the Google search and where you can be found for what you would want to be found for. The more eyes that are on your site, the more people that would be turning into your customers. And I hope that this video was helpful for you. I look forward to hearing from you, and I really appreciate you taking the time to watch. Thanks.